Hi everyone. So today we are gonna revise all the roots that we started from the first chapter, like the things that we covered in the first session. We are also going to cover them as well. So I think revision is very necessary because you will otherwise you will just forget the older roots. They are very easy to remember, but you need to revise them once in a while, or revise them for so many times for a long time. You will need to revise them, like time to time. That's how you will remember them, your wholeheartedly. So first we will start with the root ego, which means self or I. And then the words coming out of the root ego are egoist, a selfish person who thinks about himself. Only one T, egotist. It has two T's, a person who is obsessed with himself and talks about himself in every thing and mentions him or her in every situation or scenario. Then we have egocentric, one who sees everything from his or her point of view and thinks the world revolves around him or her. Egomaniac, a person obsessed with himself or herself. This kind of person is, on the next level, extreme form of egoist is this person. Then we have alter ego, the other self or a close friend or personality of yourself. Then we have root misan, misan. Misan means hate. So from misan, we have many words coming out, but actually from the only root from the root misan there are not any words coming out. Mm, in the context of misan we are having two roots combined and then a word forming from that. So we have misan means hate, to hate. Then we have anthropos. Anthropos means people and human. Then we have misanthrope, one who hates uh, I think it's one who hates people. Then we have gynae, woman, misogyny, misogyny. Misogyny means hatred of women. So here misane plus gynae, misane plus anthropos, and misane plus gamos. Gamos means marriage, misogamy. So it means hatred of marriage. Misogynist, one who hates women. Misogamist, one who hates marriage. It's converted into the noun form, sorry, adjective form. Then we have derma. Derma means skin. From derma comes out dermatology. Yeah, here the logy, logy means study or science. It's another root. So it's basically a revision class. So if you haven't watched the older videos, then you should definitely go and watch them, then come to this class so you can have an overview of all the things that we have learned so far. So here we have dermatology, study of skin. Dermatologist is a doctor who treats skin diseases. Then we have taxidermy, art of preserving animal skins. Taxidermist, person who preserves animal skin. Pachyderm, animal with thick skin. Here we have epidermis, outermost layer of skin. Epi means upper or outermost. Hypodermic, under the skin. Hypo means under. Dermatitis, inflammation of skin. Then we have cardia. Cardia means heart. So cardiology, again logy means study or science, study of heart. Cardiologist, heart doctor, cardiac related to the heart. Then we have cardiogram, record of the heartbeat, and cardiograph means machine that records heart activity. After that we have neuron. Neuron means nerve. Then the words coming out of it are neurology, study of nervous system, study of nerves, neuralgia, pain in nerves, neuritis, it's inflammation of nerve, neurosis, mental disorder. The neurologist is the doctor who treats brain and nerves. Neurotic is a person suffering from neurosis. Then, yeah, that's it for today's video. I think, yeah, we have another root, that is pedos. Pedos means child. So pediatrics means a medical treatment of children. Pedagogy is art and science of teaching. Pediatrician, doctor who treats children. Orthopedist, originally straightening of children. Orthopedist, doctor who nowadays meaning is doctor who treats joints and bones of children as well as adults. So these are the roots that that we have revised in this video, and if there are any left, we will make a part 2 for that. And if they are not left, then we will start with another new session about different practitioners in the next video. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.